So anyway, guys, let's get started today. You know, the rest of the house is Samara Pezan Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to like a comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. For I love you. Anyway, guys, let me tell you, Izolo ingane yakavuyo kaze and Pomelele Msaleko Mhlope Kaze was turning 5 years old. And I wonder why Musam Saleka did not post anything. Because one day when Musam Saleka, maybe he was busy, guys. Maybe the Wi-Fi was off. Because Musam Saleka, he will post anything. Even if you block him, he will post you. So guys, and people are saying, oh, there's a trouble in paradise between Vuyokazi and her best friend Vicky. Do you still remember the lady of Vuyokazi introduced to us on season 2 is Nganisa's Tembo? So guys, Vicky, she's living her best life, and Vuyokazi, she's also doing her thing. Vuyokazi, she did introduce 2 businesses we know, guys, and Vicky did not say anything. But when Vuyokazi got married to Kolani, guys, Vicky was all over the place protecting Vuyokazi, saying a lot of stuff, even say ukuthi Umpumelelo vele uyi-problem Vuyokazi needs to live. She will live the best life in Xolani, guys. Right now she's quiet. I don't know what is going on, and people are saying, what have you seen ukuthi Vicky has not said anything of Vuyokazi's success. So anyway, guys, we just want to say congratulations to Vuyokazi and happy birthday to Mhlopekazi, guys. Maybe Umayeni is gonna post later because Mayeni loves his grandchildren, guys. You can see even Vuyokazi's son was there looking cute. One time what Vuyokazi's son, guys, he's very cute. So anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.